Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here at Aldi and we're gonna go over the clearance section to see what we can score. Okay, up here is the apron, oven mitt, and pot holder set on sale for $3.99. Love that deal. Okay, here we have the Christmas tree skirt for $7.99. Well, $7.49. Regular 15 bucks. Love that deal. Here we have the pop-up Christmas cards for $1.24. Let's see. Right here, the chunky knit throw. It's on sale for 15 bucks, regular 30. This 6-piece towel set is on sale for $8.99, regular 18 bucks. The door insulator, it is on sale for $6.99, regular $8.99. They just got these last week. Huh, okay. Let's see. Right here we have the Reef. Oh, the Reef storage bag is on sale for $4.99. The Holiday Light Organizer on sale for $6.99. Okay. Couple bucks savings, so we'll take it. Okay. Let's see. This outdoor LED birch tree on sale for $7.49, regular 15 bucks. Okay, it's this one. I like it. Premium ribbon or wreath bow, $2.49. This is the time to stock up, guys, for next year. Adult and children apron set for $6.49, regular 13 bucks. Right here. Oh yes. What else do we have over here? Okay, the 15-pack cat toys, $2.49, regular 5 bucks. I can't believe these are on sale already. Great deal on those. Okay. The cutter set is $3.99, regular 8 bucks. These right here. Right here, guys. Okay. The men's or ladies pajama set, it is $3.99, regular 13 bucks. Okay. Santa letter writing kit, it is $3.49, regular 7 bucks. This bacon mat and spatula set is 5 bucks, regular 10. Cute little set. You also have this one. The cookie jar or cake stand, it is $9.99, regular 20 bucks. Here. These gnomes, they are $9.99, regular 20 bucks. Love, love, love these deals, guys. Full flannel sheet set. It was here for $9.99, but it's gone. Right here is the reversible mantle sign for $2.49, regular 5. Oh, you know what? Right here are the tags. The king flannel set is $14.99, regular 30. The full flannel set is $9.99, regular 20. I don't see any right there, but I looked at the corner of my eye and I see them over here. Here they go. Right here. Here we go. Those are the flannel sets. These holiday lanterns here, they're $4 $12.49, regular $9. Okay, so let's move along around here. This is where the clearance are usually at, so let's see. Up here is the Fashion Fidget Baby Shark or Twilight Daycare for $6.24, regular $12.49. Baby's First Shoes, $5.29. Oh, how cute. So cute. And their sizes are 0 to 3 months, 3 to 6 months, and 6 to 12 months. Okay, right here we have the weighted blanket. It is on sale for $22.49, regular $30. Right there, the Disney Princess blanket. Okay. Magic Ink or Mess Free Games, $2.99. Learn to Count or Touch and Feel books, $3.49, regular $7. Love these. They have these girls' tights for 79 cents, guys. Regular $3. Oh my goodness. 79 cents. Yes. Even have the Christmas tights. Great deal. Right here is the kickboxing trainer, $22.49, regular $30. Right next to it is the 52-piece magnetic tiles, $15, regular $20. 100 words book, learning book, it is $13.49, regular $18. Right there. Right here is the Crystal Creations for $5.99, regular $8. Let's see here. Oh yes, ooh, I like this. Okay, this activity binder is $5.99, regular $7.99. Right here, nice. Character Water Wow books, $4.49, regular $5.99. Down here we have this Jitsu Spider-Man-y thingies for $8.99, regular $11.99. Oh wow, look, this kid's skateboard, $11.24, regular $15. Right here. How cute. Oh, okay. I don't want to miss anything. Let me back up. Yes. Right here is the Disney backpacks for $6.74. Just the little mini ones. How cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, I wish my baby was here. My puppy, my fur baby. She would have one of these if she was here. Oh my goodness. Have her little backpack. Right here we have Laugh and Learn toys for $5.99, regular $8. Great, great gift. Age 6 months to 36 months. Okay. The world's smallest classic toys for $2.99, guys. It's on sale for, yes, $2.99, regular $4. Okay, let's see. Okay, this 26-piece Rescue Hero set is $20.24. It's right here. The kitchen trio or vacuum duo, it is $14.99, regular $20. Yes and yes. This little play center, it is $22.49, regular 30 bucks. Oh yes, guys, we got a lot of clearance today. I told you guys, when the clearance hit, you will be one of the first to know. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you'll be updated anytime the clearance come through. Okay, here is, let's see, some type of charger. Don't see that. Yeah, guys, I hope you're enjoying this video. There should be another video up before this one, and then another one. So you should get 3 videos today. So turn your bell notification on so you do not miss out on all 3 videos here in Aldi. And welcome to all my new subscribers. I see you guys. Thank you for subscribing. Okay. These card games up here, $13.49, regular $17.99. Okay. Party games, $9.74, regular $12.99. Okay. These holiday calendar collections, $3.99, regular $7.99. The men's suede slip-on shoes on sale for $4.99, regular 10 bucks. Right here. Great deal. The ladies' faux line footwear. It is $11.29. That is not a sale price, but it's still here. Okay, these tree candles on sale for $6.49, regular 13 bucks. The ladies' faux fur slides are $3.99, regular 6 bucks. Here we have me gray, black, and in red. Yes. Ladies' spa robe, 13 bucks, regular 15. Right here. Can't beat it, guys. Ladies fleece line of leggings, 5 bucks, regular 10. Right here. It's blue and white, cute. Men's or ladies utility boots on sale for $8.49, regular $12.79. It's right here. These ankle boots on sale for $8.99, regular $13.49. Men's or ladies 2 pair of socks for $1.49, regular 3 bucks. I think that's it over here, guys. Let me check one more spot. Sometimes they have clearance items. Yes, here, more over here. But the question is, do they have the price on them? Okay, this holiday reversible wall sign is on sale for $4.99, regular 5 bucks. Right here. Can't beat it. Okay, ornament or gift wrap storage is $9.99, regular $12.99. Right here. And we also have the longer ones. Now these Christmas signs, they've been here for a minute, so I'm not sure. Ooh, don't fall. Let's see if we can find a price for them. Oh yes. The reversible porch sign, it is $6.49, regular $13. That's the back of one. And here's the other side. We have this one on this side. And welcome on that side. So cute. And it's heavy. Okay, these holiday easel signs, they're on sale for $8.99, regular $18. Nice. And these holiday circle signs, they're $4.49, regular $9. How cute. Oh yes. It has the hook on the back, so it's ready to go. Okay, let's see. This stuff on sale over here. Yeah, we're finding the deals today, guys. Oh, these pillows are not on sale, but they're $5.99. The foam core support bed pillows. And right here. Not a bad deal for a pillow. And I think that's it, guys. Alrighty, guys. I appreciate you guys for stopping by today. Like I said, I should have at least 3 Aldi videos up today. One on the new finds, a clearance video, and a grocery video. So if you like Aldi store like I do, please subscribe to my channel. I think you would love it over here. I do more than Aldi though. I go to different stores. But yes, thank you all so much for stopping in. Like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next one.